Hey guys, I'm gonna attempt to recreate this eyeliner on this eye, just to show how I kind of do my daily eyeliner. If I wear makeup and it's not like, you know, bold eyeshadow, I generally do a pretty thick black eyeliner. Today I am adding I don't know, metallic, I guess it's metallic, metallic line, pink line over the top. I'm not sure about this lipstick. I'm just wearing it. I've been wearing it for like the last 3 hours for no reason. It's from like Forever 21 of all places. It's just fun, so I just have it on. My eyelid is already prepped and primed with, primed and prepped, whatever, with my concealer and just translucent powder. It just makes it a little more matte. It helps with the oil if you find that you have any problems with your eyeliner transferring to your creases, because my eyelid definitely creases sometimes where my eyeliner hits, and so it transfers up to the top. That's because your eyelid is either oily, sweaty, moist somehow. So I like to do the concealer and the powder even if I'm just doing eyeliner, just to help prevent that. I also do another trick with eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner. It's just black eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner, just to help, again, dry it and keep it from transferring. So I make no guarantee that this is gonna be the same shape, but we're gonna try. I am using N Wild H2O proof eyeliner. It's a nice like felt tip, which I really like. I feel like it gives me a lot of control. I always start with making my angle first, and I always line it up with the bottom of my eye, and aim it out, usually towards my eyebrow, and I just stamp it. So if you can see that, I just kind of stamp it on my eye just to get the angle that my cat eye is going to be. I do want to make sure that it matches both sides. It's a little harder once I've already done the full eye over here, but we're going to go with it. Okay, since this is a nice thick felt tip, I generally, when I fill it in, depending on the shape that I want to do, but with the thicker look, I just kind of use the side and I swipe over. Instead of drawing over, I swipe, and that helps fill it in and get the shape. It just is quick, it's faster. I did go a little bit too far over it here.
They want to watch each other sleep, 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 sleep.
I'm just bringing it up to try and match the other side, and then fill it in.
They want to watch each other sleep, sleep, sleep. They want to watch each other.
I'm tucking my lips so I don't get a bunch of purple on my hand, because I do touch my face every time I do eyeliner. Now this is very, very wet when you first put it on, so I usually will wipe off the sides before I apply it. See, it already fucking transferred. Already.
It's like forgetting the words.
I know you're not supposed to like pull your eye skin, but I just do it for a clean line. Sometimes you gotta. And then to attempt to prevent it from transferring again, I have to like be careful not to like open my eye again until I have it dry. I do use just a small brush. I don't want it to crease. Small brush, and then I dip it in some black and I just kind of pat over it. And this just helps, the powder will stick to it. It helps it stay really black, and then also helps it not to transfer.
Trying to fall behind your ears and your headphones to drown out your mind. It was so easy.
Great. Great, great, great. Then I'm gonna add my metallic color over top, And I apologize, this just takes me forever. My hands are pretty shaky, so I try to just go as slow as I need to make as precise of a line as I can. I don't worry too much about going into the black because I can touch it up with the eyeliner if I go over my black line, but I do want to keep it pretty straight up top so I don't have to clean it up.
Someone's deciding whether or not to steal.
My hand spasmed there. See, I went way into my eyeliner, but that's okay. I can just touch it up with the eyeliner, not a big deal. Just gonna go over it again, over that line, so it stands out a little bit more. Great. Lash and the eyes are good. Alright, not too bad. Okay, so I got the lash on. Another look at, it's pretty thick. This is my daily wear. Obviously, if you don't like it this thick, just make it thinner. Don't use my technique. I don't know. This is just kind of my basic eye look. I'm actually really impressed. I only had to try one time to get these eyelashes on. I'm using brand new eyelashes. Not brand, I'm using new eyelashes to me, the Eylure. I threw away the package because I just keep, like, as long as it has a cover, I just keep this. But it's the Eylure eyelashes. They might be like the Flirt ones or something, I'm not sure. But yeah. This is the look. Bold eye. I can finish with the rest of my face now. That's that. Thanks, guys.